How to use coding assistant and desktop application of ChatGPT using ChatGPT-4o. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will just have to simply open up this particular option of download section and you would be able to download ChatGPT. You can also download ChatGPT using the desktop application website of ChatGPT, and you can also get it from GitHub for now, and it is for Mac, Windows and Linux. And after that, you can simply open it up, then type the commands over here and you would be getting assisted by ChatGPT. But if you want to use ChatGPT-4o, then you would need to upgrade your plan, as you would be able to change your current ChatGPT version to GPT-4o using the upgraded plan. But still, ChatGPT-4o is free for limited uses. As you can see over here that the limited access is there in order to utilize ChatGPT-4o. But in the upgraded plan, you would be able to utilize it 4 times more on the plus version. So it's better to go with the upgrade plan if you are going to utilize in a better way. But if you want to just simply try it out, then free version would be fine for you. So this is how you would be getting assisted by ChatGPT-4o while coding. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.